First of all, students who were in the last class, I wanted to ask you did you try to do the schema markup from the tool, or how many schema markup you try to create?
Yes, ma'am. I had tried,
You
but
tried?
I
कौन
have
कौन सा
problem.
कौन कौन सा ट्राई किया आपने, एक बार बताएं।
मैम, जो मैंने किया था वो एक तो इवेंट वाला था मैम।
अच्छा,
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
स्क्रीनशॉट लिया आपने?
स्क्रीनशॉट तो नहीं लिया था मैंने।
तो बेटा
बाकी
मैं कैसे हाउ कुड आई जज कि आपने सही किया है कि गलत किया है?
नहीं, पर मेरे पास क्वेश्चन था कि
अच्छा,
जो पोस्टिंग वाला नहीं समझ आया था उसके अंदर मेरे को।
क्या नहीं
बाकी
समझ
मेरे को
आया था?
समझ तो आ गया था।
कौन सा वाला?
जॉब पोस्टिंग वाला जो
अच्छा,
जॉब
ठीक है।
पोस्टिंग।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो एक एक करके क्वेश्चन देते हैं। तो रघु का क्वेश्चन है, जॉब पोस्टिंग वाला स्कीमा का क्या पर्पस है या क्या मतलब है या कैसे होता है। ठीक है, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? हाउ मेनी पीपल वी हैव टुडे विद अस? लाइक अंशुमन तो नहीं थे सेशन में। ओके,
I'm sorry, ma'am. I didn't remember the assignment.
यू डिडंट रिमेम्बर टू प्रैक्टिस?
Yeah, ma'am.
ओके, फाइन, ट्राई इन द
I'll do
yeah
after the
ask
session.
yes,
Yeah.
try from like upcoming next 2 to 3 days, then we'll, if you have any query, we'll
Okay.
discuss on Tuesday. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Cool. So, okay, the Raghu's query was related to job posting schema, क्या होता है, कैसे किया जाता है, चलो उसको ही देख लेते हैं। और किसी का सच अभी नहीं है, तो अपन अभी we'll check that. Sorry. Okay. Wait, give me a second, huh? Give me a second, sorry. Okay. So, let's open. सो अंशुमन, बेसिकली ये मल्टीपल तरह के स्कीमास होते हैं जो हम क्रिएट करते हैं, और हम बेसिकली हम उनको अंदर कुछ डेटा इनपुट करते हैं और कोई कोड क्रिएट होके आता है और वो हमें बैकएंड पे डालना होता है। पर्पस ये है ताकि गूगल जब क्रॉल करता है ना, तो वो
यस।
कोड को भी क्रॉल करता है और उसमें भी अपने हमारे कीवर्ड्स या हमारे वेबसाइट के रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, तो वो हमें रैंकिंग में हेल्प करता है। बेसिकली इतना पर्पस है। हमें कुछ कोड लिखना नहीं है, हमें जस्ट उसके अंदर डेटा पुट करना होता है। लाइक आई विल शो यू। तो इसमें पहले अभी जो रघु का क्वेश्चन था उस पे बात कर लेते हैं। इवेंट कौन सा था? जॉब पोस्टिंग। ओके, ठीक है। So
ओके।
basically, job posting schema is about if a company want to promote उन कोई want to promote any job in their company, like it's something that's a very important or prominent job, so that this schema usually use for that. So basically ये schema use बहुत बहुत rare cases में होता है। Like I've said in the previous classes, there are few limited schema जो mostly use किए जाते हैं। सो रघु, बेसिकली इसमें करना कुछ नहीं है। आपको टाइटल, यानी जो भी आपके जॉब का टाइटल है, जैसे आप लेट्स सी योर कंपनी, यू आर एचआर, or you have a company called as a IT company, and you have an opening for senior software developer. Okay, so what you need to do, आप यहाँ पे you need to put your job title, जैसे senior software developer. ओके, टाइटल ऑफ द जॉब ये हो गया आपका। देन description. Description, you can describe your whole job profile, that your role
एक्सक्यूज मी
is,
मैम,
yes.
ये डिस्क्रिप्शन वाले में प्रॉब्लम थी। इन HTML का क्या मतलब है, जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन?
इन HTML वो आई डोंट नो ये क्यों मेंशन किया हुआ है यहाँ पे, बट आप यहाँ देखोगे ना राइट में, तो ये नॉर्मली जैसे डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखा हुआ आता है ना, वैसे ही लिखा हुआ आता है, लिखा हुआ आ रहा है। दैट मीन कि जरूरी नहीं है HTML में, वो हो सकता है कि वो आपको आपको प्रॉपर हेडिंग या ऐसे कुछ बोल रहा हो, H1 हेडिंग करके, या HTML फॉर्मेट के अंदर वो मांग रहा है आपसे अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, बट ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है। यहाँ पे अगर मैं लिख रही हूँ तो यू कैन सी राइट में रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है, तो हो रहा है दैट मीन चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
मैम, आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे करके दिखा रहे होंगे।
हाँ, नहीं हो रही क्या स्क्रीन शेयर?
नो, सिर्फ
ना
आपको।
वो पीपीटी अड़ा हुआ बीच में।
बेटा, you should tell me no. Give me a second. Okay, I thought that the whole screen. Now it's visible?
यस
यस
मैम।
मैम।
हाँ हाँ, चलो. So sorry for this. So basically, यहाँ HTML लिखा हुआ है, but you can see when I'm typing the description is related टू whatever जो भी है. तो आप यहाँ देखोगे ना, तो ये डिस्क्रिप्शन यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है लाइक अ नॉर्मल डिस्क्रिप्शन. तो दैट मीन इट्स फाइन, यू डोंट नीड टू पुट थिंग्स ऑन HTML फॉर्मेट. HTML फॉर्मेट में यानी कोड फॉर्मेट में पुट करने को बोल रहा है, बट हमें उसकी जरूरत यहाँ पे नहीं है बिकॉज इट ऑलरेडी रिफ्लेक्टिंग है. ओके. तो
ओके मैम।
इसके अलावा तो समझ आ ही गया होगा. यहाँ पे आपको कंपनी का नाम, कंपनी का यूआरएल, कंपनी का
यस
लोगो
मैम।
का यूआरएल, इंडस्ट्री क्या है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट टाइप क्या है, परमानेंट है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, व्हाटएवर, आवर्स कितने बजे से कितने बजे तक रहेंगे, रिमोट जॉब है, मैक्सिमम सैलरी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड एवरीथिंग. सो सिमिलर ही है. ठीक है. तो इससे कंफ्यूज मत हो कि यहाँ HTML क्यों लिखा हुआ आ रहा है. यहाँ पे आपने डिस्क्रिप्शन टाइप किया, कोड के अंदर आ रहा है, दैट मीन इट्स फाइन. एक चीज चेक कर लेना कि इसको कॉपी करके जो वो बताया था ना मैंने, जहाँ पे आप चेक कर सकते हो फॉर द एरर. नहीं पता, नहीं याद. This is a
एक बार।
tool where you can check if the code that you are creating, script that you are creating from this tool, आप इस दूसरे टूल पे जाके उसको चेक कर सकते हो. कैसे? आपको वहां पे जाना है और अपना कोड टाइप करके उसको चेक करना है. यहाँ पे आप कोड स्निपेट में जाके जो यहाँ पे कोड बनाओगे, कॉपी करना और यहाँ पेस्ट कर देना और रन टेस्ट कर देना. तो अगर यहाँ कोई एरर नहीं आ रहा, दैट मीन सही है.
मैम, इसका यूआरएल सेंड करना ग्रुप में।
बेटा ग्रुप पीपीटी के अंदर सब कुछ है, बट मैं भेज देती हूँ. पीपीटी में सब कुछ है. यू शुड गो थ्रू विद द पीपीटी. मैंने ऑलरेडी ग्रुप में शेयर की हुई है. ठीक है.
ओके मैम।
ओके, चल लेट्स गो टू अदर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. सो नाउ द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ ऑन technical SEO and page SEO is scheme open graph. So like I already explained, I guess a little bit, the open graph is basically, let's say, I'll give you an example. Let's open some Facebook. So for example, like you have a page and you are sharing your website's URL in that page with some image or in journal. Okay, then I'll let me show you. Let's see, I'm sharing this URL here. Okay. So you can see there is a proper title, description, and everything is showing here. So if you want that, you want to change this description, if you want to change the title that is showing after you are posting some link, direct link on any page or any social media platform or WhatsApp or any sharing platforms, that you can do via open graph code. ओके करना क्या है? सिंपल है. अगर इसमें डला हुआ होगा तो आई विल शो यू. open graph का basically, open graph have a open graph is a script or a code where you can edit title, description, and then upload on that particular landing page. And if you share that landing page linked to any sharing platform, social media XYZ, then the exact the title description that you put in the code, it will reflect there when you are sharing a link. Okay, so let me see, do they have any open graph in some landing pages or not? Otherwise, I'll show you the simple link. I want to demonstrate you that. Let me. Sorry. Maybe they have in some internal pages. Okay. Let's check this. Whenever you want to check any source code, you just need to search, like type control plus U. Then source code will gonna open, and here you can check the what is the title, meta title that we learn how to write of that website, and canonical. Do they have canonical tag? You can check this also. Okay, let's try to find, do they have open graph? Okay, I don't think they do. No, they don't have. Okay, so uh, give me a second, I'll show you with some other website. Give me a second. Wait a second, huh? Sorry. Okay, so fine. They don't have, or I need to find some particular website where you can find open graph, but not an issue. We just learn how to create the script or how to generate the script. So what you need to do, need to open a tool. Oh God, what happened? Okay, this is the tool. It's called Open Graph Generator. There are multiple tools like this. Let's say you want to create an open graph for this page. Okay, so first you need to copy this link, go to the tool, put the site URL here. In the site name, you should put the landing page name. So here you can see the landing page name is Global Village. Site name or landing page name, both. You can put only the site name, but I suggest you to put the both. Next holidays and Global Village. Okay. Title may you can put the meta title. So let's see what's the meta title of this page. How you can see, how you can check. So here, this is the meta title of the page according to the appropriate keyword. Copy this. So nowadays, most of the time people don't try put efforts to create open graph, but there is no harm to do that. It help you to create a proper branding. If you want to reflect a proper description and everything when in the sharing link, it will help you in that. Okay, so it's asking the type if you want to include the image. So there is an option to include the image link also. Why it's not showing that? Oh, okay, yes, Sierra. Here it is. So let's see, when somebody is sharing this link, I want this image to be visible in the sharing option. So I can put the image URL here. Okay. And here you can put the description. You want, you can put the same description of a same meta description also. So here is the meta description. Copy, paste. Now see, so this is the script. You need to put this script in the header. Okay, you understand the basic sense of like what is header, what is body, what is head, and what is body. So basic HTML, if we'll talk about this maybe when we understand the basic web development part. So this when a website code or start or HTML start, it start with the head, and after head close, that body will start. Okay, this is the basic code understanding. So everything that is related to SEO, each and everything should be put in the header section of a website. हर चीज आपकी header section हेडर फाइल में बैकएंड पे जाएगी. इस चीज का याद रखिएगा. ठीक है. और this is called title. These are things all include in meta category. Okay, meta title, meta description. Okay, and meta robots, And this is also, um, this is called open graph. So, okay. So this is also meta property. So in technical language, everything, these things are called as meta property. There are list of meta property. I'll put that in the PPT also, so you will understand just for the theoretical knowledge. See, so here this tool generate the code. What you need to do, you need to just put this code in the backend, and when after cache clear, after Google crawl the after cache clear means after putting the code website refresh होती है, ठीक है? So after that, if you put this link in some sharing platforms, any social media platform, it will show a image here left hand side, the title that you had put in the code, or the script and the description. Okay, so I'm sharing you this tool. Just try to create any open graph for any website, whatever you want. Use their that particular landing page own title and own meta description. Just go to that landing page, click Control U, then source code will gonna open. Then you need to copy the title and the description and put that in the uh, generator. Okay. Oh, I'm sharing you the tool. So this is the generator. There are so many generators and it generate the exact same script. Okay. So it's up to you if you want to use this or something else. This is pretty decent. Okay. Try to create any open graph with the help of this tool. Exactly the way I did. You can see here. Okay. Start fast.
मैम
Yes, Anshuman.
मैम मेरे को थोड़ा सा मतलब आई एम नॉट आस्किंग टू रिपीट एनीथिंग, लेकिन मेरे को ये लास्ट टाइम का जो सारा रिकॉर्डिंग है, इस बारी की जितनी सारी रिकॉर्डिंग है वो सारी एक बारी बैठ के आराम से करना पड़ेगा। राइट नाउ अभी मेरे को पूरा समझ नहीं आ रहा है, सो आई डोंट नो
अभी
इफ आई
अभी
कैन डू दिस।
do one thing, listen to me. You just open करो, you just need to open this tool open करो। करना कुछ नहीं है आपको। टाइटल के किसी भी एक वेबसाइट को लेना है। लेट्स से आई एम शेयरिंग यू सम वेबसाइट। कौन सी वेबसाइट भेजूं? कोई वेबसाइट बताएगा? रीइन्वेंट की भेज देती हूँ। So this is my one of the company that I used to work with. Okay, so let's see, ये वेबसाइट है और मुझे इस वेबसाइट के I'll repeat you, not an issue। तो
नहीं डोंट, मैं
मुझे
वही
इस
कह रहा
वेबसाइट,
हूँ, रिपीट मत करो।
बेसिक है,
अगर
listen
नहीं
to me,
नहीं,
listen, जब तक दूसरे लोग कर रहे हैं,
ओके
listen to me। तो
ओके
मुझको इस वेबसाइट के इस सेक्शन पे, ये कोई सेक्शन है, इस सेक्शन इस लैंडिंग पेज के लिए आई नीड टू क्रिएट अ व्हाट ओपन ग्राफ। ओके,
ओके
सो आई एम शेयरिंग व्हाट यू नीड टू डू। ये लिंक हो गया मेरा, ठीक है? तो अब इस लिंक के लिए मुझे इस टूल में जाके करना कुछ नहीं है। मेटा टाइटल जो मैंने वहां पे डाला हुआ है ऑलरेडी, वो मुझे यहाँ डाल देना है। डिस्क्रिप्शन मुझे यहाँ डाल देना है, और इस साइट का जो लैंडिंग पेज का यूआरएल है वो मुझे यहाँ डाल देना है। यहाँ साइट का नेम डाल दूंगी, ठीक है? और
ओके
नीचे इमेज, इसमें से जो भी इमेज सही लग रही है उसका यूआरएल लेके डाल देंगे। इमेज का यूआरएल लेने का तरीका होता है, राइट क्लिक करो किसी भी इमेज को, जैसे इस पे तो नहीं हो रहा है, नीचे जाते हैं, इस इमेज को राइट क्लिक करोगे, ओपन इमेज इन न्यू टैब, और दिस इज द यूआरएल ऑफ द इमेज। कॉपी,
ओके
and you just need to put in, oh what the hell is going on, you just need to put in this सिंपल। टाइटल डिस्क्रिप्शन लेने के लिए आप कैसे, कंट्रोल यू करोगे, सोर्स कोड खुल जाएगा, यहाँ से
हाँ।
टाइटल उठा लो, कंट्रोल मतलब ढूंढ के कंट्रोल एफ करके TITLE टाइटल, अगर इन्होंने हाइड नहीं कर रखा होगा तो ये रहा,
अच्छा
ये रहा
नहीं, टेल मी समथिंग,
टाइटल।
लाइक ओके वी हैव अ नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑन थर्सडे। अगर मैं आई विल ट्राई दिस थिंग टुनाइट ओनली, लेकिन अगर मेरे को कोई क्वेश्चन हुआ तो कैन वी अप्रोच यू, विल हेल्प और समथिंग थोड़ा सा।
हाँ हाँ, you can text me if it's
नहीं,
a basic
ऑब्वियसली आई
confusion,
विल
I'll
टेक्स्ट यू इन द
text you।
मॉर्निंग ओनली टुमारो, बट आई एम गोइंग टू गो थ्रू दिस रिकॉर्डिंग्स। मेरे को लगता है एक बारी में तो होगा भी नहीं, दो बारी मेरे को करनी पड़ेगी।
It's not tough, it's very simple, it's
अभी
just
हाँ,
कोड वाला चीज दिखता है ना तो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है।
नहीं नहीं कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, वो थोड़ा आई
हाँ,
वाज
and it's
आई वाज
fine
आउट
fine।
द मैं आई वाज आउट द होल डे, तो मैं अभी आया हूँ, मेरा अभी मेरा फोकस ही नहीं बन पा रहा।
Okay, not an issue. You go through with this. Then,
हाँ।
if you have any issue, if you have any query, let me know. Okay?
अब बीच में अगर होगा तो मतलब जस्ट टेल मी, आप कितने से कितने बजे तक अवेलेबल होते हैं?
I'll be available if you want to text me. Like
हाँ
I'll
जी।
be available after 5.
आफ्टर 5 PM, ऑब्वियसली। हाँ,
हाँ.
अच्छा,
Yes.
आफ्टर 5 PM वी कैन टेक्स्ट यू।
Yes, after 5 p.m.
ओके, ओके, ओके।
Better, है ना?
चलो, मैं थोड़ा ट्राई करता हूँ, लेकिन मेरे को अभी मेरा ध्यान नहीं बना।
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। जब तक हम दूसरे जो स्टूडेंट्स का ले लेते हैं उनका एक बार
हाँ जी, हाँ
देख
जी।
लो, क्या पता
हाँ
समझ
जी।
आ जाए। ठीक है?
ठीक है, ठीक है,
चलिए।
राइट।
ओके, रघु जी ट्राई, जोसिका, परेश।
I'm doing it now.
ओके,
यस मैम, आई एम ट्राइंग बट आई डोंट, मतलब मेरे को पता नहीं चल पा रहा कि कोड में से कौन सी चीज निकाल चेकिंग है।
बता रही हूँ। टाइटल कंट्रोल F करो। मेटा टाइटल, आपने मेटा टाइटल की क्लास अटेंड करी थी?
यस मैम।
हाँ। तुम कंट्रोल F करो, लिखो TITLE। अगर वेबसाइट ने ओपन कर रखा होगा तभी दिखेगा। टी
कंट्रोल है।
आई टी एल ई टाइटल निकालना है। डिस्क्रिप्शन कंट्रोल F। F मतलब फाइंड। तो डिस्क्रिप्शन भी DESCRIPTION लिखोगे, दिख जाएगा।
ओके मैम,
मैं
टाइटल देख।
रैंडम भी लिखवा सकती हूँ, बट ये इसलिए करवा रही हूँ ताकि तुम्हें कोड में सर्च करना आ जाए।
ओके मैम, टाइटल में आ गया ट्रिप्स होटल्स।
ठीक है, इजी है, ऐसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। ट्राई, दूसरे लोग भी प्लीज ट्राई कीजिए, परेश एंड जसिका।
Ma'am, can we add the meta name?
है? सॉरी?
Can we add the meta name? Meta name.
मेटा नेम मींस साइट नेम?
Site name is meta name.
No, no, I don't understand. Show me the screen. What you're trying to say? Which you are talking about? Show me the screen. Yeah.
Is what I am saying. Uh, in the site
No, no,
name,
no, no,
can we
no, no,
add
no, no.
this?
This is the some different code. This is a size and this is a HTML code. No, no. You need to include title of this page.
Oh,
TITLE control F.
oh,
Type.
okay, okay, understand. I
हाँ, हाँ।
title
ठीक
only.
है।
Hmm.
कैटेगरीज लाइक इन मेटा बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं। ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
सो
Yes,
मेटा की प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर टाइटल भी एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है, डिस्क्रिप्शन भी एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है। आपका कंट्रोल F करोगे आपको मिलेगा।
yes, yes.
ठीक है। स्क्रीन हटा दो।
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I share my screen with you?
Yes, yes, please. Okay. This is they don't have description, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
But
and they don't put that, they didn't put this. तुमने मेक माई ट्रिप का लिया है तो उन्होंने किसी पर्टिकुलर पेज में डिस्क्रिप्शन डाला नहीं होगा, बट यू अंडरस्टैंड ना, यू गॉट इट हाउ टू पुट द सर्च द डिस्क्रिप्शन.
yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग ही काफी है. अभी जो टाइटल है वो डाल दो, डिस्क्रिप्शन अभी रैंडमली कुछ लिख के डाल दो, और इमेज का यूआरएल जरूर डाल देना. ओके, जोशिका ने मुझे कुछ भेजा
डाल
है.
दिया मैम.
डाल दिया, ठीक है, कूल. वेबसाइट टाइप वेबसाइट हो गया. डिस्क्रिप्शन यू कैन पुट सम डिफरेंट डिस्क्रिप्शन आल्सो. So Josika shared me. Josika,
Okay.
show me the. Okay. Okay, Josika, it's fine. Perfect. Image
Okay,
URL.
ma'am. For type, should we give us product or any other thing for
Uh,
that?
if depends, let's say, what are the options they are giving it to you. So types, it depends which type of landing page you are using. Let's say you are using a landing page of a blog, then you can put article. And
Okay.
if you are then let's say you are using Flipkart, so you can put definitely product. It depends on the category. Website also you can put if you want to.
Okay.
Okay, but it's better to just specify properly, so that if you are sharing that thing, and if it reflects the type section also, then it
Okay.
it helps the user, it good for the user interaction, it's good for the crawler and everything.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
so I guess everybody understood this, so let's move on to the next thing. So guys, now the thing is, all the topics from SEO on page and SEO, technical SEO, is like they all are done, all are completed. So first of all, before starting the off page part, I want to ask you, like, do you have any query or anything till now, or we'll cover the we'll cover the query part in the next session then. Okay, I request you all to just go through the whole technical SEO pointers and the on page SEO pointer. There are around, give me a second, let me first share the screen. What the heck, what is going on? Okay,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes, yes, please.
Why do we use schema markup for a page which already exists, or it's gonna be a new website, or
No, no.
for what purpose we use?
Okay,
Oh,
okay. And fine. Perfect. So give me a second. I'll open the slide. So schema markup is basically, let's say I already explained it, that Google crawl your URL first. Google crawl your whole code also. Google crawl your website content also, and each and everything. So
okay.
if you put your website details, if you put things that are relevant to your website, or you can say a keyword keyword type, or a title with a keyword and everything in a proper structured way. That's all. That's why it's
Hmm.
called structured markup or a schema markup. Both it is also called as structured markup. So in a scripted way, or script, यहाँ पे हम we are if we are talking about script, so here the script mean the code. Okay. So if you put
Okay.
your website detail in a scripted way, in a structured way, in the form of a code in the back end, it will help you. Previously, right now, Google is not that much pay attention to structure markup, but yes, we included this in a technical SEO. So basically, the purpose is the Google crawl this in a very proper way, or Google understand the whole concept of your website or pointers of your website more
Okay.
effectively, and it will definitely help you in ranking also. So here also I
Hmm.
mentioned that the structure markup is a key behind to featured snippet, knowledge panel, or you can say information about your website, है ना? so that that contain a feature you can see when search from something on Google. So it help you to increase the ranking also, and आपका website, your website information will also gonna uh, properly presented in front of Google. You can say that. So Google
Okay.
understand the language of source code. Let's say इस तरह से समझते हैं. So if you are putting your website information in a form of a source code or a structured markup or a schema markup or a scripted way, Google will understand it in a more effective manner.
Okay.
है ना? So understand in a that way कि Google understand more source code language. Okay, so if I'm putting my website information or detail of my website in like detail about my location, detail about my website images, or detail about my website article in a source code manner, so it will help you to increase, it will help Google to understand your website more. Google will crawl the code, and it will help you to increase the ranking.
Okay. Yeah.
But there is a catch. Nowadays, uh, in the people are saying, or the in the recent update of Google, structure markup is not that much effective according to the new algorithm. But still, people use because it's a old school technique, and it will help you to increase the ranking also. But
Okay.
yes,
It's a
uh,
set of belief and
set of belief you can say, because experienced people who are using this technology or using SEO from last so many years, they definitely change their techniques to do the SEOs. But there are few set SEO technique that every website 90% of the time use. Although nowadays,
okay.
according to the new algorithm or new update, people are saying, or new articles that the new articles mention that nowadays structure markup is not more that much effective as compared to the last as compared to last 4 years, 3 years. But still we use,
Hmm.
and as a student you should know.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. Understand?
Yeah. Yeah. Of
Anything
course.
else?
No, man.
Okay. Fine. So so one more thing. So nowadays the most important thing that you should understand or you should research about, that is core web vital. Hopefully if you go for the interview with for some good company or something, then this is very common question people ask or interviewer ask nowadays, that what do you understand, what is core web vital. So I request you all to please go through with the topic, go through with some articles, some videos also, my session videos also, and everything, and take a proper understanding, proper more detailed understanding if you didn't understand in the via videos and the PPT. What is core web vital and how it is important for your website and for the search engine ranking. Understand? So please इसको जरूर go through कीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट. हाँ तो इसमें बेसिकली वी हैव 11 पॉइंट्स इन टेक्निकल एसईओ and 7 points in on page SEO. So around 17 points that we have covered in from last 4 classes, I guess. So I request you all, please go through with each and topic, because today's according to the new updates, the new algorithm, technical SEO and on page SEO is more effective as compared to backlinking or off page SEO. Still we need to do everything, each and every checklist we need to cover, but yeah, it is more effective in today's, according to the today's algorithm and updates. Understand? Chalo, next chalte hain the most old school technique of SEO, that's called backlinking. Okay, so अभी तक मैंने जितना समझाया, do you understand what is the meaning of interlinking and backlinking? And if you understand, can anybody please tell me?
यस मैम।
Yes, बताओ.
मैम जो किसी कोई वेबसाइट, कोई नॉन वेबसाइट के अंदर हमारा कोई लिंक होता है वो बैक लिंकिंग होती है, आई थिंक सो।
हम्म. और इंटरलिंक क्या होता है?
इंटरलिंक थोड़ा सा बोल रहा हूँ।
कौन बताएगा? Anybody? What is backlinking and what is interlinking?
interlinking is, ma'am, inside the website, page to page, and
Huh. Hmm. And- Yes. Jessica, what is interlinking and what is backlinking, dear?
Interlinking means way path to the next page.
Hmm.
Then if backlinking means to go to the I think another web page maybe, like that's called backlinking. We saw in Quora, I think so, ma'am.
Yes.
Quora, there was a
Mhm.
link to refer. For reference, we can take that. So such thing is called backlinking.
Uh, okay, fine. Anybody else wants to share their views?
Ma'am, internal linking is within the website, linking one page to another page of the same website.
Uh-huh.
And backlinking is like from our website to another website, or rather the other way around, from another website to our website.
Okay,
Money, I'm
fine.
not sure, but this is
Mhm.
what I think.
ठीक, it's fine, fine. I'm just asking कि कितना याद है. Okay, so another question. So, like, how we do the interlinking? Like, we put the random link on random link of our internal pages on random content, or what? Or the same way around for off page? Do we put the random link on any content, or how? Like, we need to put some link, definitely in a hyperlink that we call link on any content or anything, so that a person, if someone is clicking on that, that person can redirect to our own page, that's interlinking. Or if the person is redirecting to the different page, that's backlinking. Okay, understand. But how we should do that, like on a random content, or there is some specific way to do the interlinking and backlinking? Okay, chalo. So confusion थोड़ा सा clear करते हैं. We should clear the confusion first. So first interlinking ही समझते हैं. वैसे मैंने समझा दिया है, but still I'll explain you again. Okay, so let's take some website. If they have any blog or something. Okay, let's open some blog where we can understand this in a proper way. If they have, okay, so see, you can see this is the blog or some related to why most dental XYZ, whatever. So this is a blog. Okay, they write the blog, they put the information. Here you can see ब्लू ब्लू सा कुछ हो रहा है कंटेंट के ऊपर, है ना. सो दिस इज बेसिकली उन्होंने दे कनेक्ट दिस पेज टू सम अदर particular page. Okay, but on on what type of content, or on what type of word? So this is their, maybe this is their keyword, hyper local marketing. Okay, so this is their keyword. How they do, they mention how to fix it. So so basically they started their blog with some problem, and they give the solution, and the solution includes some keyword, and they interlink that keyword to their internal page of that service. So what is this? This hyperlocal marketing is their keyword. Okay, let's check something else. Website design and development. This is their keyword. Okay. Social media marketing team is a keyword. So what they're doing right here, they include their interlinking pages or interlinking landing pages links on their keywords. Same thing we have to do in backlinking. While we are doing backlinking, if we are doing backlinking on content, then we will put our link on our the keyword that we are targeting. Let's say your targeting
Well,
keyword is best places to
अब
visit in
मैं
Delhi.
क्लास में हूँ, I'll call you, मेरे को 10 15 20 मिनट दो, I'll call you.
Okay, so yeah, so this is the same thing we need to do for interlinking and the backlinking. We have to put our link on a keyword. Okay, when we are doing backlinking for content, most of the time we do the content backlinking only, and for the interlinking, same. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are putting our link on a keyword that link related to our own website. And what we will do in backlinking? Backlinking, we will put our link on some other famous or not famous, other good authority websites. धीरे धीरे समझ आ जाएगा. बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग इस चीज की लीजिए कि यू जस्ट नीड टू पुट द लिंक ऑन अ targeted keyword. Why? Because it help you to increase the ranking. If you are putting if you are putting your links on the targeted keyword, Google will crawl that. Let's say Google is crawling this website, and here you can see there are few interlinking on some particular key highlighted keyword. Google will crawl that page also, and you already know Google crawl the page, rank the page, index the page, and the rank the page. This is how Google search engine work. So this will help you, definitely it will help you to increase the ranking on SERP or search engine result page. So just remember one thing, you just need to put the link on the targeted keywords. Okay, so let's start with a basic understanding of off-page techniques. So there are different techniques, but there are few most prominent technique that most of the company use nowadays. Okay, so but we cover each and every technique. I'm not saying that each and every technique is effective in terms of ranking, but we need to take the understanding of every technique here. Okay, so let's start. So here you can see social bookmarking, article blog submission, PDF PPT submission, profile creation, and there is one more I forget to mention. So there are the technique different. So first of all, my question is, how many people understand any of these technique? How many of you understand any of these technique? Anyone, any technique like you heard about or you read somewhere or whatever, any technique from these?
Like social media engagement, it's like giving up the partnership, paid partnership or something. I think so.
Mm,
Through social media, like giving up to the content creators and making it up as ads and doing
let
like that,
me
I think.
change the engagement thing. It's not engagement actually, it's sharing. So what is social media sharing? We'll basically, Josika, that what you are saying was not exactly right. Here we are talking about basically when like you said engagement with different pages or XYZ. But whenever we are talking about off page, we need to include what our website or our targeted link.
Okay.
Okay. So if we are doing engagement thing, it's fine. And but if we are including our website URL, proper URL in any content or anywhere, or let's say anywhere on the social media, or let's say we shared some link on social media with the proper description and everything, that comes under social media sharing for off page SEO.
Okay.
Okay, not only the engagement part. Okay, anything else from this list? Anyone understand?
Ma'am, I think blog commenting,
Block
um,
commenting.
act of leaving a comment.
हिंदी में बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. ब्लॉक कमेंटिंग कैसे होती होगी, सोचना बताना
मैम,
जरा.
मतलब कि कोई कमेंट छोड़ देना कहीं पे और उसके ऊपर ट्रैफिक आए, उस चीज को
हम्म,
देखने, आई थिंक सो।
चलो कमेंट छोड़ दिया मैंने, तो कमेंट क्या कैसे, मेरा अभी मैंने जैसे जोशिका को बताया कि लिंक इंक्लूड करना इंपॉर्टेंट है ऑफ पेज में. अगर आप लिंक नहीं डल रहा है आपका, जहाँ पे लिंक डालने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं है आपका, लैंड अपने का अपना पर्पस क्या है, मेरा लैंडिंग पेज को जिसको मैं टारगेट कर रही हूँ उसकी रैंकिंग बढ़े, यही पर्पस है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
ठीक है. अब ब्लॉग कमेंटिंग में, ब्लॉग में कमेंट किसी कंटेंट के अंदर मैंने नीचे कमेंट तो छोड़ दिया, बट क्या मैंने उस कमेंट के अंदर अपना लिंक इंक्लूड किया है? या तो मैं डायरेक्ट लिंक ही छोड़ दूं, या कई ब्लॉग की वेबसाइट्स ऐसी होती है जो नीचे ऑप्शन देती है कि आप कंटेंट लिख के उसके अंदर लिंक इंसर्ट कर सकते हो.
या फिर मैम अगर हम कर सकें तो कमेंट के अंदर कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं अपने टॉपिक के थोड़ी।
चलो मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज, अच्छा कितने लोग, हाउ मेनी पीपल अंडरस्टैंड रेडिट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड रेडिट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो रेडिट? हाँ सीरियसली?
मैम
सीरियस
सुना
तो
हुआ है, मतलब वी बिन
कभी
टू
यूज
इट।
नहीं किया।
अभी यूज नहीं किया। ओके। ये सो रेडिट, एक छोटा जो जो अभी ब्लॉग कमेंटिंग का क्वेरी था ना, उसके ऊपर एक चीज बताती हूँ। सो लेट्स, दिस इज रेडिट बेसिकली, ओके। सो here is a comment section. Go down. So when you see yeah, comment, let's see, okay, मेरे को लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा क्या? I can show you something. So ये ऑप्शन देता है आपको यहाँ पे ऐड कमेंट करके, मुझे लॉग इन नहीं करना पड़ेगा यार। होल्ड ऑन, वेट अ सेकेंड। Give me a second, I'll show you something. So, okay. So if there is a website like Reddit where you can see this is a post, okay, so the Reddit is a very, very famous website, especially for international content or gaming content and XYZ, so many other. So here, let's see, I want to comment something. So what Reddit gives you, let's see, this is the comment. Okay. Here you can see a thing. You can see here, this is a link. So here you, what you can do, you can put the URL of your website in hyperlinking your comment. Just let's say, so what I did, I inserted the link in the comment. So if any website gives you permission, something like this, then that's come under the blog commenting of SEO on page. Here I can comment, and if somebody read that comment or Google crawl this, these type of, so basically what is the purpose? If Google is crawling, definitely it's a very big website, very big authority, very good traffic, and Google definitely crawl these website, and Google show that this community on the community post of this Reddit community post, you put the some comment, the Reddit definitely crawl that and it will help you in the ranking. But there is a catch. There are some time, most of the pages first review the comment, then allow to publish. Sometime, not, I'm not saying it's all every time. And sometime if your comment is very promotion related, it deleted your comment. But it's not for every website, I'm talking about few websites. So so what is the there is a, so what is the you can say side effect, or you can say uh cons of off page. So sometimes you are putting too much effort, and but still the backlinking you are doing on particular websites, that website sometimes removes your link. Okay, it happens, so never be disheartened. That's why we do backlinking in bulk way. Like we do like every technique, at least 5 to 10 links daily. Sometime there are a few companies, there are a website where we need to do the backlinking like 100 links in a week, 200 links in a week. Why? Because most of the link will gonna delete, and there will be only few link that will help you to increase the ranking. So just understand basics, that off page help you to increase the ranking. How? Because you are putting your link on some famous or some good authority website, and when Google is crawling those website and Google saw your link or your link or keyword, it gives you the ranking. Just understand in that way. Okay. So
What if we put some other link which is not relevant to the particular post or relevant to the particular comment, ma'am?
no, we cannot do that.
Okay.
ओके सो वन बाय वन चलते हैं सो अब ठीक है अब मैं बेसिक समझा अच्छा टाइम होने वाला है तो एक ही करके हम एक साथ प्रैक्टिस ही कर लेंगे बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग देती हूँ सोशल बुक मार्किंग में क्या होता है यू जस्ट नीड टू पुट द लिंक you don't need to put the link on the keyword or on the content on social bookmarking you just need to put the link and you just need to post the link basically on some different websites. Okay. Then blog submission is when you are submitting a blog, not on your website, on some different websites. Now the question is where we can find these websites. So the all the type of websites are available on Google. What you need to do, type social bookmarking sites, article submission sites 2025. You will find thousands of sites. Now the point is which site is good for you or which site you need to put the backlink that we'll talk about in next class. Okay. uh, Now the profile creation mean there are websites different website you just need to create the profile of your business and put the link of your business. Okay, so social media sharing I already explained, Quora I already explained, blog commenting explained. Press release means the website that are related to news. You want to publish some news kind of article of related to your related to your landing page or your website on some news related web pages or press release pages. Okay, or websites. Guest posting. So guest posting is both paid and both press release and guest posting are both paid and free. So there are few websites that allow you to post your content without any charges and include your link, but there are few websites that ask money for each post. So that amount will goes from $1 to $100 to $1,000. It depends on the traffic, it depends on the spam score, it depends on the quality of the website. Then Google My Business is basically when let's say you are that that businesses that are listed on Google business pages. Example, when you search something like best saloon near me, and there are different shops that comes different shop category that comes on the Google that known as Google My Business. So we'll learn how to create a listing on Google of my shop, of my business, of my coaching class, of my institute, whatever. Okay. Then classify ad. So there are few websites where you can publish some advertisement related content. Let's say best services for salon. Okay. Or anything where you let's say you are providing some service your website is related to some service so this classified ad off page techniques help you most of the time this technique help you to increase the organic ranking on Google My Business. Okay, how we will do we'll talk about it but these are the basic or the main off page techniques or the almost I covered everything. So now the point is which techniques are useful and which techniques doesn't give you the that much good results. So techniques like social bookmarking is very good to give you to help you or to support you in the ranking. Article and blog summation, and the most important that is that help you to increase your ranking very fast. That's press release and guest posting. Got it? All these techniques somehow help you. Somehow just you do this to show the client that you are doing some off page or backlinking work or sometime it will help you but not in that prominent way but these four technique help you the most to increase your ranking. So what changed from last 5 not 5 10 years of SEO? The change happened in off page SEO. In previous days like before like if I talk about before 10 years back most of the people are focuses on off page SEO. They just think if we create 100 backlink, 200 backlink, 500 backlink a month, then my ranking will come on Google like this, like very fast. But nowadays, algorithm change. Google gives so much updates, and Google talk about like doesn't matter how many backlink you are creating. If you are not creating good quality backlink, if you are not providing the good information or the relevant information to Google, Google will not give you the ranking. Okay. So these are the things. So this will we will cover each and every technique one by one. So today's tasks include जिसने पहले वाला नहीं किया था like Anshuman, you will do focuses on that, and what other people will do, search some sites like what you need to type, social bookmarking sites, something like this. Then you will find multiple sites. Okay, type social bookmarking sites 2025. Multiple links open. If you click on this, you will find list of sites. Wait a sec. See, there are thousands, 100 plus thousands of sites. So we will talk about which type of site is useful, which type of site now. Just Google it, try to just explore it, and learn about learn about what is, or read about what is DA and PA. So just explore explore the different technique of page SEO type, social bookmarking site 2025, blog sites 2025, free guest posting sites, something like this. Just explore it and read about what is DA and PA. Okay? Got it?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. So do
Ma'am,
your assignments. Any question, you
yes,
can
ma'am.
pin me.